Have you ever wondered what kind of machines would it take to construct a skyscraper like the Burj Khalifa? Well, today we'll help you name the most powerful gigantic machines in various industries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get it on. Holzo XXL Liquid Fertilizer Mixer. Strong stirring is good mixing. The 37-meter-long giant arms can flexibly mix fertilizer within a 370-degree range. Compared to using excavators or other equipment, this cleanup solution is quite ideal for reclaiming small materials in large warehouses or storage yards. Would you dare to test drive the P&H 4100 XPC if you had the chance? The machine is designed to operate in mines with high production but still maintain low costs. Its power is proven when it only takes 3 scoops to make the Caterpillar Cat 793 leave heavily. Using giant chains to remove the remaining roots and mixing limestone to prevent soil erosion, this leveling method helps save fuel, reduce soil disturbance, and enhance productivity. The railway construction machine is tasked with renewing the sleepers and rails for the Hanover-Göttingen high-speed railway line. With 3 portal cranes, it achieves high efficiency with 14 sleepers per minute, a level of performance that equivalent machines cannot match. The SUZW 500 is truly a giant, not just in size, but also in power. With the ability to control this extreme climbing vehicle, the driver must be a hardcore fan of Spider-Man, huh? The bucket can be flexibly attached to your excavator or skid steer to turn it into a multi-purpose tool for screening, sorting, and loading all in one operation. Let's move from construction sites to lush forests and witness how the clambunk skidder transports logs. With a large clamp and a 6-wheel drive system, it saves costs for logging in swampy areas. The crawler crane produced by China holds the title of the largest and strongest one in the world. Thanks to its long reach and flexibility, It is perfectly suited to handle huge load construction projects. The rotary stick is the perfect device for land leveling and conversion. Enroll in the list of the world's largest machines with one pass trencher. It is hard to find a trencher that can surpass its capacity to dig trenches up to 160 feet deep. The SLR series robot is designed for heavy-duty tasks in high-temperature environments. Don't underestimate its flexibility. Apart from handling forgings and unloading rotating furnaces, it can crush a car in the blink of an eye. Hansung Ultra Series, the best contributor to pest control of rice farm and animal disease control. Look at how it works. We probably don't need to explain much in words about how powerful it is. Board piles are one of the solutions for foundation treatment, meeting the strict requirements of load bearing. And Liebherr LB36 will fulfill that task perfectly. The rotary drilling rig for deep foundations, produced in 2013 with a length of 12 meters and a casing diameter of 2 meters. In the thick blanket of snowfall, the transporter still diligently does his job. The Manson-Yen 120 is a versatile hydraulic crane with multiple applications. Thanks to the HybriLift energy saving system, energy consumption is reduced up to 35%, helping to save on operating costs. The Rimpull SH1000 salt harvester, designed in 2018, can produce 1,000 tons per hour, depending on the specific terrain. With the latest intelligent technology, this guy is a fully automated, battery-powered top hammer long-hole drill designed for underground mass mining in 4x4 meter or larger production drifts. Get ready for the Komatsu L2350, the excavator that makes loading seem like a piece of cake. It can enter load haulage trucks with payload ratings ranging from 320 to 400 tons. The name Nessie was given to a submarine cable trencher in 1988 when an order was received to lay a telephone line. She was spontaneously given the name Nessie when someone asked what the bales of straw in the submarine cable trencher were for and was told, "That's feed for Nessie." Keys Track B7E is an efficient and productive jaw crusher, which has been manufactured in Belgium. It is designed to work with hard rocks both in quarries and in mines. Cutting down trees in urban areas requires accuracy, which is where the Lumberjack LJ450 comes in handy. You will be amazed by the scale of this spraying machine, which can cover up to 190 feet with its two arms. It is estimated to be 50 times that of a normal person. Enjoy filling up the warehouse without any manual intervention. The versatile amphibian sludge suction machine is the perfect solution for river pollution issues. Its underwater suction pipe can reach depths of up to 6.5 meters. Logging on slopes requires a skillful machine, and the Timber Pro TL755D is that machine. With the support of chains, it can easily move during the tree cutting process. When the giant pays a visit to the field and swiftly harvests all the wheat. But remember not to wake him up at night, otherwise... In construction, the skill of the workers is indispensable. But in this case, with the Tiger Stone, that might become meaningless. So, our first video about heavy machinery has come to an end here. Let us know your thoughts about these giant guys by leaving a comment. See you in the next videos.